Talk about how do you describe flying. First of all, we're going to take a look at some examples so you know exactly how to describe flying in writing. I want you to talk about the feeling of flying. What does it feel like when you're flying? Feel weightless and free. It's good to understand the mechanics of flight. You can see the world from a whole new perspective when you're flying. Incorporate personal experience, vary your pacing, fast and slow when describing writing. Play with perspective, set the stakes, introduce different kinds of conflict when describing flying. Conflict like that, and also like this. This dragon can be a major conflict. Here are some few more tips about describing writing. Add meaningful dialogue and banter. Use vivid language. Also, use technology and cool gear. Don't forget to use metaphor and similes. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. There's going to be another video that comes up right now. Check that one out. I'll see you there.